Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. Suppose if I ask you a very simple question, can you do a sum of all these values without using a sum formula, or can you count a total number of value in this particular range without using a count a function? Can you do it? Please let us know in the comment section. In this particular video, I will show you how to do such kind of things in Excel. So let's get started with the video. So now suppose if I ask you like to calculate the sum of all these value, what you will do is like you will type here the formula sum and then select the range, and then you will get the sum of all these value. And in the similar way, if I want to get the count, I will use a count A and then select the range, and then we'll get the values, right? But now the problem is, suppose if I select all this data and apply a filter, and if I want to see the data only for Canada, now you will see I'm getting the count here as 10 and the total sales I'm getting as a 9,530, which is not correct in this particular case, right? So there is no use of using the sum formula or the count a function, right? So in such case, what kind of formula you have to do is, so let me show you that formula. So now for that, first you have to type equal to, then type sub, then select the subtotal and then press the tab. Now suppose if I want to calculate the sum, then select the 9 and then press the comma and then select the complete range and then press the enter button. Now you are getting the subtotal or the total. And in the similar way, if I want to get the count, again I will type here equal to subtotal and then select the count A and then select the range, then press the enter button. Now what will happen is, if suppose if I am selecting the data for the Canada, now I'm getting the count as 2 and the total sales I'm getting the sum of these two values only, which is like 2168. And in the similar way, if I select the another location, which is India, now I'm getting the value as total as 5 and the sum is like 6166. So this is what the common formula look like, or the most unusable formula look like. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.